How to remove account from Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch a Messenger application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you get to this inbox page, navigate to the top left corner. There is tap on three-line icon. Now from this drop-down box, tap on your profile along with the drop-down menu bar. After you do that, you will be able to view all the accounts that you're logged into. Now to remove any specific account, navigate to that account, and then if you tap and swipe that account to your left, there you'll be able to view this delete icon. Simply tap on it and then the account will get removed from Messenger. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.